Welcome everyone. I am Sajal Vishwas, Assistant Professor in Physics, Krishnanagar Women's College, Krishnanagar, Nadia, West Bengal. In this video, I am going to deliver a micro teaching titled Simple Harmonic Motion. The objectives of my video are learners will be able to learn about periodic motion and its examples. Learn about simple harmonic motion and its examples. Relate and distinguish periodic motion and simple harmonic motion. Learn the general equation of displacement and other terms of simple harmonic motion. Learn the differential equation and the solution of simple harmonic motion. They will also able to find out the examples of simple harmonic motion from their daily life. Periodic motion. In physics, the motion repeated in equal intervals of time. Periodic motion is performed, for example, by rocking chair, a bouncing ball, a vibrating tuning fork, a swing in motion, the earth in its orbit around the sun, and a water wave. Simple harmonic motion. A body is said to be in simple harmonic motion if it executes to and fro motion about its mean position in a way that at any given point its acceleration is directly proportional to its displacement in magnitude but opposite in direction, directed always towards the mean position. The main property of SISM is acceleration directly proportional to displacement with a negative sign. The simplest example of SISM is simple harmonic oscillator. Simple harmonic motion is a special case of periodic motion. In the previous examples given, the bouncing ball and the earth in its orbit do not. Therefore, those motions are not simple harmonic motion. Thus, we may go to the conclusion that all simple harmonic motion are periodic motion, but all periodic motions are not simple harmonic. The general equation of displacement and other terms. General equation of displacement of a particle executing SISM is x equal to a sin omega t. From the above, velocity may be represented as v equal to omega root of a square minus x square. Acceleration f equal to minus of omega square x. Angular velocity omega equal to 2 pi n equal to 2 pi by t. Linear frequency n equal to 1 by t. Kinetic energy Ek equal to half m omega square into a square minus x square, where omega equal to square root of k by m, and m is the mass of the particle and k is a constant. The differential equation and its solution. Differential equation of SISM is d2x dt2 plus omega square x equal to 0, which has a solution like x equal to a sin omega t minus phi or x equal to a cos omega t minus phi, where phi is a constant and omega is its angular frequency. Some other examples of SISM. Swing. Swing in a park is a nice example of simple harmonic motion. Motion of a compound pendulum is also an example of simple harmonic motion. Motion of a linear harmonic oscillator is another example of simple harmonic motion. Motion of a cantilever loaded at free end is also example of simple harmonic motion. A ball is rolling without slipping in a spherical shallow bowl is a nice example of simple harmonic motion. Oscillation of liquid column in U-shaped tube is also the example of simple harmonic motion. These are my references. The resources used from the following websites for making the lecture video. The softwares and other resources used are KineMaster, TextMaker, Bandicam, Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007, Microsoft GIF Animator, and last but not the least, my green screen studio shown in the figure. And thank you all for watching this video.